Okay, so this is my, I guess, breakfast lunch. And there's my little pumpkin ice cube I made. You can kind of see the leaf and the stems. It's already melting, so you can't see it too well, but I love it. Ready? The stick. Here's the beautiful clean stick that I'm going to turn into a chandelier. Or try to. I have other pieces of the stick, but I want to start with this one first. And as you saw earlier, cheers to fall, my little pumpkin ice cube. This was actually my mom's. Now it's mine. It's like a little sewing thing that has like all the things you need to fix stuff. I have a little. It's actually not my bear, it's my mom's bear, but got the glue gun, thread, you name it. Pins, things for eyeglasses. Got this from Amazon. And I'm gonna speed this up, put some music so you're not bored, and we're gonna try to make this chandelier, you guys. We're gonna try. I think it came out perfect. Okay, ready? Ready?
It's beautiful.
I love it.
Thanks. How would I do that?
Your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I won't share my
to go with this wonderful Halloween theme when we actually are watching Hocus Pocus tonight, and I thought that these cups were absolutely perfect. I know I'm gonna butcher the name. It's Koolkatkoo. I'm saying it horrible, so I'll definitely put their information in the description box and also in the title. But these are the most wonderful, most beautiful ceramic mugs. That top actually can be used as a phone holder, just so you know. And I love them, my friends love them, and they're great for party, especially a themed party, which I'm doing today, not only for fall but for Halloween, or if you have a pet party. They're great for gifts if there's a cat lover or any type of holiday. Like, it's just perfect. It's an absolute perfect, beautiful cup, or mug, ceramic mug I should say. So the first one had that cute little lid, and then the second one has these cute little pointy ears, and then inside is a cat. I mean, how beautiful are these cups? Like, honestly, I mean, I'm struggling to get it out of the box, but I love them, and I wanted to share how amazing they were with you. I love the simplicity of the design. Everything about these mugs are amazing. They're really good. They're like spacious, so you can fit quite a bit of liquid in there, not like super tiny or anything. I love the handles. I think the handle is really cute. It's good for if you have big hands, you can put your hands through. And yeah, I can't wait to use these today. I'm gonna actually put a chai latte in them later to go with the fall theme of tonight's party. If you like these, I will definitely be adding them to my Amazon storefront as well. But you guys, what do you think? Aren't these the cutest ever? Okay, so unfortunately my camera did not pick up the sound for this. The mic wasn't all the way plugged in. But basically, the party's about to start. I have these little cool, like, witches type of brew pots there. I have the stuff that I got from the Dollar Tree. And just some little snacks for Hocus Pocus. I thought it was perfect. And my friend pointed out, it looks like it's actually, if you take a step back, that the pots are actually on top of the fire, which I thought was really cool. My friend is coming in now, and she's seeing the chandelier for the first time. She absolutely loved it. She went crazy. Unfortunately, can't get her reaction, but she really, really liked it. So shout out to my friend for coming, and I'm so glad that she enjoyed everything.
It looks enchanting.
I made the chandelier just like I did Bridgerton.
Oh my god.
I took a stick from
I want to
outside.
watch Harry Potter now.
I took a stick from outside.
I thought. We got what from outside?
I took the stick from outside.
Nice!
Yo estaba caminando.
Perfect curve and everything.
Yo estaba caminando con
She was like,
Nala.
good stick.
Exactly. I didn't even think about it, and then I was walking with Nala, and I saw the stick, and then.
For Dominican Republic for a month.
Okay. What does that mean?
To myself.
Wespa. Wespa. So, we having a party or what?
Listen, it's not to rain. It's for me.
No.
Es para mí. Para mi atención. Over here. Please love me.
When Reina's around, it's like, nope.
Come here.
Oh! Oh, I got it on camera. Qué traición. Nah.
She just wants the popcorn.
I love you.
Good
That's it forever. You can put like meat on it. It's just the chorizo or like beef usually messes up my stomach.
Ooh. Ooh. The pumpkin one I got you.
I made pumpkin ice cubes. Ladies, come get your drink.
Ooh. So fancy.
You might have to drink a little bit of yours.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Okay, so I cleaned up, everybody left. It's pretty late at night now, and I just wanted to take a video of how it is completely in the dark. It's such a vibe, like very moody, very fall, and it was just a great time, and it was fun to express my creativity, and I really enjoyed sharing parts of my life that I really love with you guys. I hope you liked the idea as well, And yeah, if you like this video and want to see more weird stuff, please give it a thumbs up. And till my next video, you guys, love you and besos.